Sunil here from Clean and Exterior Clean Melbourne. Working on a property today, rendered property. Really bad mould, as you can see here. Wait till I show you the windowsill. Look at that. So we're going to be, with this kind of work, we obviously have to do a chemical treatment. It's very important. I have pre-sprayed all the plants so that we're not going to be damaging them. We have to work right through, you can see this section here. Right through here is just a lot of mould, so they want that all cleaned up, and we're going to finish off with an external window clean. And as you can see, the property, you know, this section of the property is very visible from the road. It looks really unsightly, whereas the rest of the property looks quite nice. This is obviously the face of the house that doesn't get much direct sunshine, so that's also an issue. But they've probably, to be honest, let it go too long. You shouldn't really, please don't leave it this far gone, because A, it's more expensive, and B, it's much harder work, and C, you know, sometimes the mold goes deep, and then I can't completely guarantee removal of it. So the first obviously process is application of chemical, and then let it dwell. In this case, I'm probably most likely going to have to do a second application, and then I'll be washing with water, maybe even hot water, and then we will hopefully get some good results. I'll show you the progress as we go. Hi everyone, Sunil here from Clean. So just these are the final results. Hope you can see that. Look at that sill, absolutely beautiful. Look at these walls. It's such a joy to see this, really, for me. To see the results of the work that we do, it's fantastic. And really, if you look at this wall now, you just look at how much light is being reflected through that. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. You'll see that also down through we did all the walls there, down on the past the garden there. That's all come up really, really well, and you can just, the whole property feels brighter. Also clean the gutter through here for these guys at no charge. So, and washed all the windows and washed the fly screens, and the job is finished. So really happy with that, folks, and they won't have any more mold problems there for a while. So really happy with that, and hope you enjoyed watching the video. And that's the power of soft washing.